students, 10th standard biology, unit number 14, lymphatic systems. So the lymphatic system is a compressed of, so lymphatic capillaries, lymphatic capillaries. So the lymphatic vessels. So the next one is called the lymph node, and lymphatic duct. So the lymphatic system is also they have in a circulatory systems that occur in a human body. So the lymphatic system is a consists of, so the lymphatic capillaries, so the lymphatic vessels, and the lymph node and the lymphatic duct. Lymph is a fluid that to through the lymphatic system. The lymph is a fluid. So they occur in a transport systems that occur in a human body. The transport system they occur in a, so the human body, so it is called in a lymphatic system. So the lymphatic capillaries are unit form in a large lymphatic vessels. So they have the lymphatic vessels are present in the human body. So they divided into numerous branches. It is called in a lymphatic capillaries. Lymphatic capillaries. So the lymphatic vessels, they can divided in numerous branches. They form in a lymphatic capillaries. The lymph node is a small, oval shaped structure. So they occur in the lymphatic vessels. So the lymph node is a small, oval shaped structure. They occur in the lymphatic vessels, located along with the length of the lymphatic vessels. Almost they have in a 600 to 700 lymph nodes are present in the human body. So they have in a 600 to 700 lymph nodes are present. Small lymph nodes are present in the human body. So what is the meaning of lymph? So they have in a lymph. So the lymph is from a intercellular space. Is from intercellular space. So they normally present between the two cells. So they have in an intercellular space drained into the lymphatic capillaries. So inside the cell, intercellular space, so they have in a drained into the lymphatic vessels or lymphatic capillaries. So the drainage of the, so drains the lymphatic vessels. So lymph is a colorless, so they have in a colorless fluid formed when the plasma. So almost they have in all the component of plasma. Except the plasma protein. What are the plasma protein? Albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. Here, so the lymph do not have in a globulin, fibrinogen, and albumin. So except the plasma protein, all the components are present in the lymphatic vessel, lymph. And the blood cell escape into the intercellular space. And also they have in RBC, WBC, and the platelets are absent. So the red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, and the platelets are absent in the limb. So they present in the wall of the capillaries. They are escaping. So the plasmas are escaping from the pore of the capillaries, blood capillaries. So they transform into the lymphatic capillaries. So the lymphatic capillaries, they are connected the drainage of the blood vessels. They are transformed to the lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels. It is similar to the plasma protein. Plasma protein, but is a colorless, contain the less protein. The lymph contains a very small amount of nutrient. Very small amount of nutrient. And also they have in a oxygen, carbon dioxide. So they have in a small amount of nutrient, oxygen, so carbon dioxide, water, so water, some amount of WBC. So white blood corpuscles are present, or white blood cells are present. This otherwise called leukocytes are present. Leukocytes are so they present. This is the component of lymph. So lymph is a intracellular space. The drainage, lymphatic capillaries. Lymph is a colorless fluid formed in the plasma, protein, and the blood cells escaping into the intracellular space. They are collected by the blood lymphatic capillaries and they transform into the lymphatic vessels. So the similar to the blood plasma is a colorless and they contain the less amount of plasma protein. Less amount of, so the plasma protein. It means they have in a very, so totally they are absent. Albumin, globulin, and the fibrinogens are, so they are absent. Then they contain the very small amount of nutrient, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and the WBC. So they have in a white blood cells. So the functions of the lymph. What is the main functions of the lymph? Functions of cell lymph. So the first point. So supply the nutrient and oxygen to the those parts of the blood cannot be reached. So first point, to supply the nutrient and the oxygen when the blood cannot be reaching the area. So the plants cannot be reaching the area. So the lymphatic vessels are lymph, they are transport the nutrient as well as the oxygen. First point. Second point, and also the excess of fluid, tissue fluid. Second point, it drains excessive fluid. The tissue fluid for the metabolism. So return to the protein, the blood for the tissue spaces. So the excess of fluid, so the retained of the protein in the tissue fluid. So the tissue fluid, it is useful for the normal growth of the cells. Normal growth of the cells. And the lymph also carries absorbed fats and fatty acids. After the digestion, the lipids are converted into the fatty acid and the glycerol. So the lymphatic vessel, they absorb the fatty acid and the glycerol from the digestive food material. From the digestive food material in the small intestines and transform into the blood. It means the lymphatic vessels to absorb the fatty acid, fat, glycerol from the digestive food in the small intestine and transform into the blood. The lymphatic capillaries are interstitial villi. So lacteal absorb the digested food. So the small intestine they have in a numerous projection is called a villi. So the center part of the villi they have in a lymphatic vessels are present. This is used for the absorption of fat from the digested food. Lymphocytes, fourth one is called the lymphocytes. So the lymphocytes defend the body from the infections. It means they develop the immunity power in the human body. They develop the immunity power. So they prevent the disease. So they protect the human body from the different kinds of disease. So they have lymphocytes. So there are two types of lymphocytes. One is called the T lymphocytes. And they have B lymphocytes. So these are the main functions of lymph. So lymph is also they have in a fluid is very essential for the human life. So thank you very much, students.